Wuping from Additive Australia. Welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
We're here at the at Land Forces, and could you tell us a little bit about Additive Australia and what it is you're doing?
Yep. So Additive Australia is the service and sales partner representing EOS. Here we're looking after all our customers across Australia and New Zealand, and what we do is we supply the OEM additive manufacturing solutions along with servicing and support and servicing all in one-stop solution.
Okay, so that's a one-stop shop. You get your additive manufacturing equipment.
Yep.
And the ongoing sales support and servicing.
And also the early stage of consulting where customers are looking into additive manufacturing. We're providing the consultancy and support that are needed for them to look into whether it's worth the investment or not.
Yeah, because it is a large amount of money, but it pays off in terms of the complexity of the products you can produce, doesn't it?
Absolutely. We have customers that been taking advantage of the technologies, manufacturing aerospace engines, complexity components where there's no other way or traditional manufacture can be manufactured. Yeah.
And that's going to be really important for AUKUS, Pillar 1 and Pillar 2. And what is it that you've got here at the show that you want people to really know about?
I think one of the most important things the audience need to know is the technology is here. It's up to the industries that can have an open mind and arm and embracing the technology and taking advantage of it.
So who should come and see you here at the show, and where can they find you when they get on the trade floor?
Yeah, basically anybody interested in 3D printing or additive manufacturing can see us at the SME sections, Pod 18. We're here all week to talk to anybody who is interested in additive manufacturing.
Well, thanks very much for coming on the show. We'll have another recording for you very shortly.